Want to know how general contractors seriously level up their projects with smart project management techniques that actually work? Alright, so first off, using the critical path method is a total game changer. It helps you figure out which tasks are super important and which ones you can chill on without messing up the whole schedule. Then, lean construction principles come in clutch by cutting out all the waste, like time, materials, and effort. So you're not just busy, but actually productive. Risk management plans are also key. They help you spot problems before they blow up and have backup plans ready, so you're not scrambling last minute. Budget tracking software is your best friend here too, keeping your spending tight and avoiding those nasty surprises that can kill profits. Oh, and don't sleep on stakeholder communication. Keeping everyone in the loop means fewer headaches and smoother approvals. Make sure you're checking in regularly with your team and clients so nobody feels left out or blindsided. Also, breaking down big projects into smaller chunks makes everything way more manageable and less overwhelming for everyone involved. One of the biggest mistakes general contractors make is ignoring the critical path method, which ends up causing delays because they don't know what tasks absolutely need to happen on time. Fix that by mapping out the project timeline carefully and updating it as things change. Another common slip-up is not fully embracing lean construction principles, leading to wasted resources and longer project times. To avoid this, always look for ways to streamline processes and cut unnecessary steps. Lastly, poor stakeholder communication can totally tank a project when expectations aren't clear or updates get missed. The fix? Set up regular meetings or updates so everyone knows what's going on and can give feedback early. BigHomeProjects.com is all about hooking homeowners up with trusted local contractors who get the job done right. It also helps contractors find steady work by connecting them with people who actually need their skills.